He came home from the war with a party in his head, a modified program to fill, and a pair of legs that opened up like butterfly wings, and a mad dog who wouldn't sit still. The wedding took up with a Salvation Army band girl, played dirty water from a swordfish trombone. They went to sleep at the bottom of 10 Killer Lake. Great to be home. Well, he came home from the war with a party in his head and an idea for a fireworks display. He knew that he'd be ready with a stainless steel machete and half a pint of Valentine's each day. Then he holed up in a room above a hardware store, crying nothing there but Hollywood tears. Put a spell on some poor little Crutchfield girl. He stayed like that for 27 years. He packed up all his expectations. He lit out for California with a fly swatter banjo on his knee, with Lucky Tiger in his angel hair. Ben's a dream for getting there. Found him in a eucalyptus tree. Lieutenant got him a canary bird and skanked her head with every word. Chesterfield and moonbeams in a song. He got 20 years for loving her.